you are somebody dealing with bad posture or neck hump, you are in the right video. Today we are going to show you a few great ways that you can manage this for yourself, improve your posture, and maybe stand a little bit taller. But make sure to stay until the end of the video, not missing any information. Otherwise, your neck hump, bad posture, it might never fully go away. And I want to make sure that you get some opportunity to improve that for yourself. So let's go ahead and without any further ado, jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that we can do for neck hump and ultimately trying to fix some of that bad posture is in a seated position. For the exercise, what we are going to do is a chin tuck. So this is an exercise where you are going to tuck your chin into your neck as much as you can and then relax. Tuck and relax. And you're going to do this multiple times, and this is going to improve the strength in a lot of the muscles in the back of your neck, which can help reduce some of that neck hump, improve some of that bad posture, right? It'll help us stand up taller. We're literally working that exact position. So that's the first exercise and thing that you can do to help improve your posture, reduce that neck hump, and ultimately get you back up to a little bit taller position. If you like the video so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on improving your overall posture, decreasing pain in your body. Okay, so you did those first things, but I promise if you don't do the rest of the things I'm implementing in this video for you, your posture, it still might be bad. That neck hump still may persist. So make sure to stay and follow every single step. The next thing that you can do to improve your posture and help with some of that neck hump is some scapular retractions with a band. So this is like a band pull apart. You're gonna grab a light resistance band. This is a TheraBand, and all you're going to do is pull that band apart to the side, and you're ultimately keeping your arms straight, pulling into the chest. When we're doing this, we're trying to pinch our shoulder blades at the back. That's going to get the most work in those muscles. Make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders when we're doing this. We're keeping those shoulders pinned back, pinching, holding, and relaxing. Good. You're going to do this multiple times, improving some blood flow to that area, strengthening the muscles, and ultimately getting you back up on your feet with a better posture. Okay, so you've done two different things that might help to reduce some of that overall bad posture and that. Okay, so you've done a few things that may reduce the pain in your back and improve your posture a little bit, but I promise you, if you ignore the next three things, it still may persist. So the next thing that we're gonna implement is actually a row. A row is an exercise that's gonna work the muscles in our back, which can help us to stand taller, improve that overall posture, and eliminate a lot of that neck hump that we're going after. So for myself, I have a 25-pound dumbbell. Do it kind of at your own range. Do something that's a little challenging, but not too much. And then what you're going to do is grab that weight, hold on to an object, and then you're gonna be bent over a little bit. In this position, all you're gonna do is pull your elbow back, holding for a second, and slowly relaxing. Up, back, slowly relaxing. Notice when I'm doing that, I'm not rounding over. I'm keeping a good position throughout the movement. And you're basically just, again, just like those pull aparts, you're pinching your shoulder blade at the back. You're gonna repeat this on both arms to make sure you have equal balance overall in your muscles. And that's the third thing that you can do to help reduce that overall hunchback from happening. All right, so we're going over to the wall for this next thing that will ultimately help to reduce that hunchback from happening and get you back up on your feet. It's actually a really good stretch. So this is the fourth thing that you can do. We still have one more. Make sure to stay till the end. It's my favorite thing. But this next thing is also going to help. This is going to stretch out some of the muscles in your chest and shoulder that kind of help, or actually make that bad posture worse, I should say, right? So what you're going to do is put your hand on the wall. You are going to be looking straight ahead. And then after that, you are going to look away from it, right? So you're opening yourself up. This is going to stretch the muscles throughout your chest, your shoulders, and kind of get some of that tightness gone. So you're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. And relax, and make sure you do this on both sides to get equal balance work, right? We always talk about that to help your body move overall the best. All right, so you made it to the end of the video and you are in for a treat. This is by far my favorite, most influential way to decrease the chances of hunchback happening and improving your posture for yourself. And it's going to be with a very light dumbbell. I'm going to use a 25 again. I would start very light for this one. I'm actually going to show you a variation without a dumbbell as well. For this exercise, it's a lat pull over. And this is really going to stretch out and get us in a good posture position. How this is working is I'm putting my shoulder blades on the back of that bench, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with this dumbbell kind of overhead position. Notice again the position of my back. And what I'm doing is allowing that weight to come all the way back, stretching my back out in position. I'm holding this for a count and then coming up all the way back, being strong with those muscles in this position. You can honestly just hold this passive position back here. This feels really good. And what we're doing is we're kind of moving into a weighted stretch. So we're actively stretching but strengthening at the same time. So this can really help improve your posture. If that's too demanding for yourself, you can even kind of do the same thing by just coming onto a bench or box and pushing your head through a little hole your hands create, okay? So this is still gonna work kind of the same muscle group. It's just gonna be a little more of a stretch, and you can still open up your chest in that position as well. So those are just a few things that you can do to ultimately reduce the chances of hunchback happening, improve your posture, stand a little bit taller, and feel a little bit better. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos just like this on reducing neck hump from happening, improving your posture, and just living a better, happier life no matter how you move, look, or think right now. Make sure if you do want a low impact exercise program, we have those down in the description. You can check those for yourself. I'm also going to link all the products that we used in the video down in the description with our Amazon associate code. So if you wanted to pick up some of that equipment, you can check out that for yourself as well. But once again, thank you again for clicking on the video. I promise you we will see you again. But until next time, check the next video that YouTube's going to recommend for you. I'm outta it.